This is the stock SCX6 foams versus 3D printed anti-foams from D440 Radio Control Designs. First up is stock tires going downhill. You'll see when all the weight's on the front and I go to turn, that tire just rolls. I had to straighten it back out to be able to bring that back tire down to be able to finish this downhill climb. This is the 3D printed inserts going downhill. I can turn, it doesn't roll over, a lot more controlled, able to slow crawl it down. This is stock tires uphill with a reset. So I'll purposely start on the right line, but then get it to slip off and work my way to the left where I'm in an incorrect placement, and then I'll have to reverse out of it. And then you see it rolls over. With the 3D printed inserts going uphill, doing the same thing, getting myself in the wrong spot, I'm able to have way more control coming out of it when I'm reversing out. I'm trying to get my tires in the same exact spot before I do the reset. There we go. Way more control. So stock tires going uphill to complete it. This is a really tough climb for the stock tires because the back passenger side, because it deforms so much, it doesn't bite the rock and climb up over as easily.
I'm sorry.
The 3D printed inserts going uphill, it's a lot more poised, controlled. I'm able to slow crawl it and get right where I want it to be. The tire doesn't deform as much. It just bites and goes. This 3D printed inserts doing a side hill. This is not doable with the stock foams. Right here is about when it rolls and the whole truck just topples. And the last video is just a downhill, where all the weight's on the front tires. I'll move the camera closer so you can see how much deformation the tire has, but I'm able to turn and actually still control the vehicle without the tire just folding completely over. Thanks for watching. The links are in the description to the files to purchase from D440 Radio Control Designs.